slow down. Got my phone. Oh, it's not. That's not helpful.
Did you need to look for a backpack or not?
Just sitting there with nothing.
Did you need to look for a backpack or not? It's a good show.
No, I know you're tempted by shopping, but I think I've run out of battery. I don't have enough in my camera. I was just hoping that I will have enough before we get there. It's not enough. Not quite. It's because I have get to film something. Did I close my images?
I thought it was one.
That was just walking. We're walking against the sun, which is somewhat not ideal. I was no, we have this power bank, which in theory, when we are sitting for a drink, I should. That's what I forgot because I was disrupted by
my beauty.
all of it.
Police? No, sorry. Police.
Do you have a message for the police?
Yeah, I'm here and I'm going to visit.
Yeah?
All illegal.
Yes.
Just waiting for you. Ciao, guys.
Something illegal.
It's alright.
Yeah,
You smoke weed, guys. We have a coffee shop here if you smoke weed.
Okay, it's good to know.
Just
good to know.
Just to let you know.
Next time.
We have weed and everything. Hash. Yeah.
Good.
Ciao.
Thank you. I won't publish it. I will not publish it.
Are you not? Sorry. What did you say?
No, I was not.
No, it's fine. I was joking.
I was joking.
They always think that you need that part.
Well, cliché, huh? Humans are clichés.
And then they think they're cool, but they're actually really bad.
That's on that basis that you are judged. They see you more like a drug dealer than
A businessman.
yeah. And you really have to work hard to change that.
This has changed here too.
Yeah, they've.
More cables on
I think they've had a new law or something that has given them
Maybe because there was so much protests. They
permission.
are not giving more local restaurants more opportunities to sell.
Yeah, I think next
Those
time.
were the benches that were there before, see?
Yeah, next time we probably. Yeah, I guess so. Probably need to come back and.
This is the stairs. You can do them one by one if you want, like that lady told you.
I'm fine.
Yeah?
I'm not dead yet. It's like. It's like I keep telling the. I'm well informed, and the girl is not as arrogant as many physios when it comes to the knees. She's.
24 here.
I don't trust them. I think it's a promotional.
The higher temperature than anything.
They have clarify whether it's under the sun or is it... It may be just receiving the sun reflection. But where you're not receiving the sun, you may feel cold in the shade. Which would explain it. Because if you are directly receiving the you see, even here they've extended the sitting places. You can sit there in front of that deck, which you couldn't do before because before you were limited to blue markets, contemporary craft market. Salitian Square.
A few more climbs before we are home.
Yeah. These are easier than on the way there.
The last drink of the year, maybe, or maybe not. Thank you.
Are you gonna sit again?
No, yeah, only
See, there's more.
splashing, yeah, the sea.
That kid is left alone there. They will be surprised that
The kid
disappeared.
yeah, not to be found ever.
So guys, what are you doing?
I've had more drink than I needed today. At this time.
They want to be filmed.
Coffee shop, smoke weed.
Oh my god.
On video.
The reality is that I'm not even looking most of the guys. And we just yeah, sometimes we need a bit of excitement of getting helados. Is it not gelatina?
Ice cream.
No, not gelatina.
Gelatina is maybe another kind of ice cream.
Gelatos. What about gelatos?
Maybe that's another kind of ice cream.
Italian ice cream. Italians sunset is coming. I already have a video of this passage. Yeah.
It's written in the sand already, 2026 there. There? Something written there.
It used to be written Feliz Año.
Yeah,
But,
so there. You see,
maybe
something
it's not
written there. What does it say?
not this year. Not like the other years. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe the fart came out. Huh? Anyway. Oh, that was tough. Well, I think it reached a point where it started to work on me properly. Golden Eye. It's a restaurant actually. It's Golden Eye. Go to the beach bar downstairs. Down there. You are controlling my drinking. Suspect that you still need your pictures. That camera won't take pictures on itself. I think I should give you the GoPro next time. Come. Hola. It's almost empty, yeah?
It's also finished.
Yeah.